So Tim, you're here today under very interesting circumstances, and as I told you, that's why I'm doing this video today, because I repaired your Achilles tendon 2 years ago, right?
Correct. 2 years ago on the 23rd of February.
So basically, you came to me with a ruptured Achilles tendon.
Yes.
And it was completely torn, so we had to do the surgery to repair it. And I'm going to show in the video the surgical incision, so you can really see, you know, a little bit of the hypertrophic scar. And well, you just told me that you're playing golf all the time.
Yeah.
You do
golf twice a week, and walking's not an issue. Running is not an issue. Chasing my little grandson around in the backyard is not an issue.
And you have full range of motion.
Yep. I have no problem with that.
No problems, no.
And it was the amniotic grafting that you did.
Yes, exactly. So because remember how we used to repair it without the graft, and unfortunately most people never got the full strength back, right?
Yeah.
And it used to be very long recuperation. And with you were only off your foot for 4 weeks, right?
Yeah, no, nothing on my foot for 4 weeks. But within 6 weeks, I was able to put pressure on it. And then then I went for physical therapy for 12 sessions down here in April, and I had played golf twice that same year of 2024.
So for people who are contemplating doing the old surgery or medicine 3.0 with amniotic,
I highly recommend the amniotic grafting because it's incredible. My recovery is incredible.
Good. All right. Well, I'm going to let you go unless there is an issue. Congratulations. You did wonderful.
Well, thank you.